Come on, let's go after her. God, the game is wrecked. You are filled with the power of video game violence!
And they said video games don't make violence.
God.
I'll have you know we destroyed an arcade machine because of gaming.
God, I'll fucking have you know that fucking John Boomer was correct about video games.
He's flossing. Dude, he's flossing.
Alright, we're gonna go back over here now.
He's fucking...
Okay, I'm actually glad I did now.
Oh, God. I can't tell you how many of these I've cleaned up. I hate my job.
God, poor him.
Oh, you want to read this guy?
I wanna go back to the city, but the way is blocked. I'm no country boy, let me out of Sabbathfield.
I heard there's a rebel team resisting the Queen. So far, all I found are overpriced bagels.
Well, got it. Go on by 400 bagels, only 80 ducks. You know what? 400 bagels. You were crushed under the weight of 400 bagels and defeated immediately!
Is this actually a game over screen?
Not really. You just can't carry that many. I would have loved it if that was a game over screen. I will buy one bagel. You paid 80 bucks for a bagel. Can I have one too? You're selling them. One bagel. $80, 400 bagels, $80. That's okay. I haven't bought one either. Who is this guy? Yo. Stupid. It's hard work.
Oh wait, you want me to do this one?
Oh yeah.
Yo. It's hard work being the Queen's minion, ain't it? Why don't you take a break and grab a snack? Ultra CD bagels, only $400 each.
You know what? Sure.
Pleasure doing business with ya. Sucker.
CD bagels added to your items. What is that?
That's a really fun. That's a funny joke.
It appears to be some kind of force field. Wow.
Oh fuck! I forgot his name already.
No.
Fucking. Oh no. Escalators are worst
No,
enemy.
escalators, my one weakness.
My one weakness. Escalators moving in the other direction.
If only there was some way to get over there. Oh, who's this guy?
I'm the hacker. I'm going after the blue checks marks. I wonder, find 3 in the cyber field ahead and I'll join your city. You look like just the kind of folks to have a cool
You know what?
city.
No, I'm going back.
According to Cyber, you found Zero. Zero's not back for a beginner. Your checks quest is only beginning.
God, what a lad.
That's a funny reference.
Ah!
Murder children.
What the fuck is this?
It's a child.
This motherfucker. You know, we're gonna take care of him. Everyone treated the enemy with loving, tender loving care. All the enemies felt great.
Why is Ralph saying holding a fucking deal?
I don't know.
Oh fuck, children.
Dang, children getting beaten. We gotta resort to sparing.
Spare the child.
We won! Money!
Money.
Oh fuck, this one's actually kind of... This one actually looks difficult. Wait, is this another puzzle? You do it.
Oh, okay.
I think I fucked it up.
Yeah, you did. Nice one.
Alright.
Nice one, bro. Okay, so what you're gonna do is...
Oh,
yeah, like that, and then 2. There you go.
Yeah.
This isn't like a binding contract.
You typed agree to all. Thank you for agreeing to this peon release form. Now you are all legally my minions, and I can use your likeness for funny statues. What if we just don't do what you say? In that case, I would be forced to use another guy, probably. Better get started on that then. Okay, but I'm still going to use your likeness.
Average college football team.
Yeah, it really does be like that sometimes. Yo,
Ooh,
he's
we get
back.
more.
I want him! Get in my town!
Oh, we might not be able to. We might if you want to actually get them all, you might have to like go back into the area and like.
Oh, now I see it. Now they are doctors.
Yeah, look at. I love how like fucking Susie has like a fucking needle.
Yeah.
Space Invaders.
Dang, the one game I'm not good at. Get spared. You won.
We recruited them. We're friends. I think. Or do we have to do it one more time? Bring them back in.
I don't know.
Maybe we should do it one more time just to be sure.
Yeah.
I want the child. I'm sorry, I want a child. Oh yeah, right. You're low on health, aren't you?
No,
oh well, don't worry, we'll be fine.
We'll take
Just
care
you're
of
a
them.
gamer.
Fine. They need help.
We'll stab him with a needle.
Oh my god. So many things. Okay, we actually survived that time.
Oh,
That's
you
pretty
actually
cool.
did it.
Get spared.
I guess yeah. I guess we recruited it
We
then.
did it. We got him. Let's
We
get
got him.
gaming.
The Gabagool.
Yeah, no. So the Game Awards. Am I right?
I actually have not seen them. I never watched the Game Awards.
All right, that's fair enough. You didn't miss much.
Uh.
We'll figure out what drug to take. Yeah, no. So like
All I know is that my friend at work showed me this meme where, like, he was like, "Oh yeah, Activision Blizzard won the award for the longest running scandal."
You know what? That's fair.
Oh, you need to get all 10.
Oh, okay. All right, we doing.
I love being the backseat gamer and just going like, "Haha, nerd."
Yo,
I could have done it.
gaming!
I could have done this easily.
Yeah, that's truly the backseat gamer experience.
I could have done this easily. I'm the oh
What
my
the
fucking
fuck?
god.
This is bullshit.
Okay.
Fine.
L. F, go for the F. Okay, see, where, like, if you... Oh my god.
Jesus Christ. What the
fuck
is this?
God.
What am I looking at? Wait, no, I fucked it up. I figured out how much.
Gaius fell Hereber. E. Yeah, there you go. Just go up. 8. There we go. There we go. It's the gaming moment.
Fuck!
You
You know
close.
what? I had it. I was onto something.
No,
Yeah,
you have to do the exact same thing.
Yeah, no, but like, while I'm doing this, fun fact, I was watching the Game Awards last night with, on Twitch with the Susie Doodletones.
Oh shit, the Susie Doodle Thumbs. Not,
Susie
of course,
Doodletones, creator
her
of
cousin.
Creator of an 8-hour documentary about just the Sylveon.
He just dies.
He just fucking explodes. God,
Tries to say the word and just completely just has a seizure and dies.
You know what? Fucking. Yeah, now back to the Game Awards. Did you hear about the new Sonic game that got announced?
You showed me that Sonic Breath of the Wild.
Yeah, Sonic
basically.
Breath of the Wild. Honestly,
Or
I'm gonna be real.
what did I call it? The Elder Sonic 5.
Yeah, no, the Elder Sonic 5. Sonic Impact.
Sonic Impact.
Genshin the Hedgehog. Yeah, no, I'm gonna be honest. If Sonic Frontier does not turn out to be a good video game, I'm gonna be upset, and for no other reason than just because we're gonna have so much negative Sonic discourse again.
Oh lord, we're gonna hear about it from everybody.
They're never gonna fucking
And again,
shut up about
then again, there will be a Fire Radical Soda video about it.
There
so you know what?
Be.
Child murder. Child murder.
Not the fucking.
Child murder. Dr. Mario.
Oh god, I'm not prepared for the fire, through the fire and the flames. There it is, there's the fire and the flames.
The copyright music. I gotta do it myself.
Audio jungle.
Dead end. Whoa.
Alright, what's the deal, twerp?
Who's a twerp? The name's sweet. I like sweet.
Oh, like sweets?
Don't tell me you haven't heard of the Sweet and Cap and Cake. Doesn't ring a bell. Guess our act's a little bit underground. I need air horns for this.
God.
Sweet cabin cakes. Not only are we Cyberfield's best musical trio, we're also the last resistance against the big bad queen and all her crew. And that starts with the resisting Soldier Boy.
What? We're fighting Queen too.
Captain saw you help her kidnap some girl. Hey, Cap. We won't let you lay up bingo enemy mademoiselles. Except us. That's not the point, Captain. It's like half the point. 60%? 55? We're rebels, not players. We're rebels that play. We don't play. We don't play. That's it. Get over here.
Oh shit!
Okay, we are players.
I'm a CD player.
Wait, they're getting away. Sweet, chill. They'll be on the bad guys. No, this is our chance. Are you ready? Let's fight. Done now.
Well, I guess we're doing this now.
Kiki,
Yeah?
play some battle music.
Okay, cool. Just give me like 1 second. Give me a sec,
Gotta make a fucking tweet.
God.
We're gonna fucking tweet. Listen, I would love to free you. Fingers in his ass. Fingers in his ass. Fingers in his ass. Kanye West he likes big fingers in his ass.
It's true.
It's true.
It is true. I'm very glad we've spread this singular fact.
Well, yeah, you gotta do the big one. You gotta do the big dance. We can't just do the medium dance.
I could, but I also need healing.
Oh, that is true, actually. Oh my god.
Christ, why didn't I do this before the fight?
Yeah.
We got lost in the groove.
I love this song.
I like this song.
Hey, don't touch that. I am French. Oui.
Whoa! That's just cool.
We hit you with that baguette. The sounds of France.
Oh my god, they're dancing. Yo, you wanna talk about how Chris is dancing?
No, we gotta talk about how Ralsei's doing the fucking. Okay, so we got the leg kick from TF2. I don't know what Susie's doing, but that's if you look at Ralsei, she's doing the one from like Charlie Brown.
Oh my fucking god.
Are they all Charlie Brown dances? I actually think they're all Charlie Brown dances.
That's
I think.
Hilarious.
Don't touch the hat.
Oh, I think Okay, hold on.
Chris, just keep
No, Susie
trying to
can't act.
dance.
I'm the only one who can act.
I'm gonna hit my sick Charlie Brown reference.
But,
For the peanuts, I guess. Wait. Okay, now I gotta pull up the music. Okay, so keep going. I'm gonna pull up the music so the next time we.
Great. I'm glad you're doing it for me.
At least I can do some work. I can do something rather than be comedic relief.
I mean, you could.
Okay.
Wait.
Okay, I'm gonna see if it's all here though.
Okay, there's one. Yeah, it's all it. That's actually Susie's doing one from it. That's Ralsei's doing one. However, the leg kicking one I think is a TF2 one because I don't see.
Okay. That makes sense. Hey, why don't we need Chris to act?
Because that's Chris's unique talent. So
You think I'm too stupid to dance by myself? Susie or an S action. She can act from her magic menu.
Susie, I don't think you should.
Happy feet, dumbass! Susie made Ralsei learn R action even though he doesn't really want to.
Happy? I'm sorry, Chris.
Oh my god!
Okay, happy feet, dumbass.
It's so good. Now we all vibing. Man, me too.
This is great. Done. And then this is beautiful. Can we just take a?
Yeah, I think we just need I think we should really just need a moment. Everyone's dancing. Yo!
Yo!
Look at him go! Damn, everyone's bopping! Battle 1!
I'm the Flange. The Flange. Feel the beat. Watch my moves.
Dance, dance. Hey, losers, wrap it up. Battle's over.
You gotta go first.
Over?
In the other types of words, we lost. Oh. Dot.
Does that mean we can be friends?
Okay, no. Fighting's not really my style anyways. We're good at surrendering us franges. Yeah, because you're a coward. I mean, it was fun dancing, but
Sweet, don't worry. I think our dancing beat them.
beat them. Yeah, almost. Yeah, I can't. We fucking. Give me a second, Frenchie. We all mercy like. That's German. Why the fuck did?
See, when we danced with them, it convinced them we're cool.
Now they're on our side. Epic team switch.
Edited.
Hey, you three. Welcome to the good side.
We are the good side.
Let's go with it, Susie. Let's rendezvous at our junk shoe bay. We say that funny in the flange. We jammed our door shut, but you will kick it open. Alright, everyone, let's go.
Dang, there they go.
Oh, there they go.
They do be schmovin'.
I like how I played the song as they left.
Yeah, I know. So, the best part of me being on the Game Awards with Doodle was the fact that me and Yoon got to simp over Genshin Impact characters when it won Best Mobile Game and piss off the chat.
As a non-Genshin Impact fan. Oh my god, that's cool. That's actually kind of cool.
Yo, that's sick.
Listen, as a Clash of Clans fan, I'm afraid I have to say that Clash of Clans is the best mobile game.
You know what? Nah, that's fair.
Oh.
Oh, there's a door. It's a lone door frame. For some reason, can't see through it. Yo, what's up with this guy? The way to the city is now open. I think I'll stay in here in the countryside a bit longer, though.
Sip of this delicious dihydrogen monoxide.
Oh, yo. Crash, boom, bang. Terrifying noise coming from the building nearby. You are filled with the power of noise music.
Just heavy metal.
Just
Doom
fucking...
soundtracks.
Yeah, you can just hear fucking Doom Disturbed come in from the background.
Yo. Ah, fuck. I can't say what's up in French. I can only say it in German. What's up?
Hey.
Let's see about themselves. Oh god, I gotta do French.
Yeah.
Oh, that's what's up. I'm very French.
Okay, I gotta do the
Alright, do it.
I'm so sweet. Oh, the ladies called me the Captain.
K_K.
We used to work on the sound in this town. Air horn insert. Oh, until the queen came around.
K_K is short for cakes.
She made music against the law. And unless you make the song she likes, which is not the French music.
But the only junk she enjoys.
Or reverse diss tracks, where the vocalist puts themselves down and praises the queen. Or the noise music, filthy. But even if the queenie tries to put a limit on us, you can't stop the music. Is that we'll just go underground.
Crash, boom, bang.
That's why we made this show. We'll fund. This will fund. Oh, why am I going German? Oh, we'll fund the musical rebellion.
Can we make noise music too? Performance.
What, you wanna see what we got? Yo. Can you handle these?
Hold on to your antenna. Oh shit, they going.
Nicht moving. Oh, how is that? Did you get Dwayne The Rock Johnson? Air horn sounds.
All our songs are 4 seconds long. About the queen.
The queen wasn't always so hard, sad violin noises. None. She was. She just got worse somehow. It wasn't until that dark, founded, scary organ sound showed up that she started going into the overdrive. Not very French at all. Night this, night that, fountain that. Oh, that was like, what is it? Fuck, you fucking French people. Oh, what does she even, that night even have going for it that I don't? Come on.
Oh, this is the second time that Knight's comes up. I wonder if he's gonna be important.
But like I said, she wasn't always so bad. She used to give me sweets for being so sweet. Huh? I never got the candy. You kept calling her a hot mama steam sounds. Cap. Huh? Is that wrong? She looks like a mom and tends to overheat. KK, help me out here. KK, what do you think?
Huh? Me? I like candy.
Yeah, you're right, KK. We gotta focus on what's important. If Zapan fights, we'll get out of tune.
Anyone got any lemon drops? Yo, we gotta find out about junk work.
Our main gig is making scrap into machines. Bang bang hammer sounds. I can't make sound effects, so I think
God,
I think
don't
it's
worry,
funnier.
I'll insert every single one of them in post. Now, it'll probably all be air horns.
We, our clients, are sometimes a bit off key, though.
They smell off key too.
Like some little weird guy. He wanted us to sneak into the Queen's mansion. I turned German for some reason sometimes.
We're just rebels. We don't want to get into trouble.
But recently we got a high-class client. He's a man of the taste. He had the very, very many ways of words.
I couldn't even understand him.
It's cause he talked in French, you imbecile. Now all we gotta do is follow the blueprint, right? It'll be a big time break.
Yeah, haha, it's gonna break apart big time. God, you know what? What do you got? Yo, some reasonably priced CD bagels! Oh, God. Yo, I got one of these for first user. Give me these!
Didn't want to get them. I guess we don't really need upgraded weapons.
Yeah.
This so see ya. They smell ya.